Every day you tell lies, not big lies, small ones. Someone asks, "How are you?" You say, "I am fine." But you are not fine. You're tired, you're worried, you're thinking about something that happened 3 days or 3 weeks ago, and you cannot stop thinking about it. So, what's the problem? You say, "I am fine." Now, because the truth takes too long and too much of your energy, because you don't know this person well enough, because you don't want to explain everything. Have you been in this situation? Because you are protecting yourself. This is called a social lie. And every human being on earth tells them. Psychologists studied this. They followed people for 1 week. They asked them to write down every lie they told, big and or small. The average person told 2 lies per day. 2 lies. Every single day. That is 730 lies per year. Most of them were not harmful. Most of them were exactly like, "I am fine." Here is the interesting part. The study also found that people who told fewer lies, even social ones, reported feeling healthier, sleeping better, and having better relationships. Not because honesty is always easy, but because carrying small lies, even tiny ones, uses energy. Your brain works harder when it has to remember what you said to who in what occasion. Think about it. There is a difference between a lie that protects someone and a lie that protects only you. When you say, "I am fine," you're protecting yourself from a conversation you don't want to have. Sometimes that is okay, but sometimes the conversation you are avoiding is exactly the conversation that would change everything. I want to teach you 3 phrases that are more honest than "I am fine" and just as easy to say. I have had better days. It is honest, it is light, it is easy, it's true, and it invites the other person to ask you, should they want that? And should they like it? The second is, "I am a bit tired today." Simple, true, not dramatic, and it explains your energy without opening everything. The third one, "I am okay, just a lot on my mind." This one is the most powerful because it is honest, but it also protects your privacy. You're saying something is happening, but I am not ready to share it yet. Language is not just grammar. Language is how you decide what to show people and what to keep for yourself. The best English speakers are not the ones who say the most. They are the ones who choose exactly what to say and mean every word of it. Thank you for listening.